Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be unboxing a docking station which is from TOBENONE. We all know our struggles when we are working towards video editing using our MacBooks and all that. If you want to have external displays, you know they only provide sometimes one HDMI and sometimes don't even provide anything. And this one is the USB-C 4K display docking station for MacBook Pro and Air. So we will unbox this, we will talk about all its features as they say at the back. Also, there are a lot of things to talk about. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside. Alright, so of course they say thank you in different languages. So when you open the box, let's see. Oh, this is very light and very small. I can show you guys here. It looks so cool. I was expecting it to be quite big actually. Okay, so this one use the two dual USB ports to go into your MacBook, plug one into your laptop and one into your docking station. And we have the free warranty extended, so you can get a free upgrade to 24 months warranty by visiting their website /warranty. Alright, so first impression of the device, I'm very impressed. After opening it, as I was telling, it's super light and it's super small. It's not bulky, or you can just put beside your desk just like that, and it will not take a lot of space and all that, which is good. In the front is a hard plastic. There is some full metal thing going on. All the ports are here at the back. So the length of the cable is quite nice, a very decent length, so it's very easy to use. And then you can plug this into host 1 and host 2, and then this one will go into your MacBook. They have two USB 2.0 ports, 3.0 ports are here. The VGA port is here. I don't think so we'll be using a VGA port, but good to have it if your monitor is very old and all that. Two HDMI ports, Ethernet port is here, the logos on the side. And then even in the front, I have the 3.02 USB ports and USB-C and the headphone and the microphone jack. So let's bring our laptop, put it in, then we test it and we talk about all the features. This docking station can access dual 4K external monitors with the MacBook Pro USB-C hub directly. This connection provides 4K quality with 30Hz or 60Hz refresh rate. The USB 3.0 port and the USB-C port that's in front provide fast data transfer speed up to 5 GB per second. Keep in mind that the front C port is only for data transfer and not for alt mode display port. The two USB ports at the front are specifically designed for your wireless devices like wireless keyboard and mouse. This docking station provides up to 87 watt power charging for your USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 laptop or notebook. It is also equipped with an RJ45 gigabit Ethernet network port. This port provides a stable and faster connection and also automatically adapts to 10, 100 or 1000 megabytes per second network transmission. I'm gonna set it up now, but before I set it up, I wanted to mention that what struggles I had to go previously. So I always like to use two monitors, okay, always best for productivity and all that. So but the struggles I have, you can see in my hand I carry. So what I do, I usually put this goes into the MacBook Pro on the side. Apart from that, if I want to charge my phone and all these things with USB A to C, then I want extra USB, then I use this one. This is the extra USB port, so I can plug in more USBs inside. Then sometimes I have to use this port for the HDMI also, and for my memory cards and all these things. Then I have this dongle as well. So sometimes I don't have enough space or USB hubs to put inside. So this is the benefit of having that to this. So I'm super happy. So I can actually hook this up everything, so I can play it around and I don't need to carry all this with me. Alright, so first thing first, I am done. I hook up already the main cable, so I will put it here and I will set it up. Then once you plug in, I think it should auto turn on one. Yeah, so we can see the indicator light, so it's already turning. Then I will be putting up the HDMI for my one monitor. So let's put this one. Then I will plug in the second HDMI. Then I will hook up my keyboard. This one and 2. Oh, it's already happening, so which is very good. And the second, this is I think for my mouse. All good, so all set up already. So just everything, you can do a nice cable management here, so it doesn't look bad at all. So everything can be hidden behind, or I can just put it like this. So just fits very well. So your desk stays very clean. As you can see, all the cables are gone. Then my USB. So if I want to plug in my USB, I can just simply access and plug it in just like that, and we are good to go. So let me turn it on. All right, so simple. As you can see, I am super happy. Everything is just turned on. Few things to note: there's no power to power this one, so that's the whole point of that 2 USB connection with it, type C connection. So it's so good that I don't have to bother about turning it on with the power and all that. And then everything looks super clean and I am good to go. What I need to do now, I need to set up my screens first. So let me do some display setup. I will arrange it. Yes, that's perfect. I can move my file from here all the way here to all the way there. I can bring my laptop anywhere I want. I can bring my Mac anywhere, come back, just plug in one thing, and I have not to bother about anything else. So if I want to charge my things, and this is a good thing that I can access it from the front, so which I really like about it. All right, so now I am on their website, and if you guys can see that they not just provide docking stations, but they have other accessories for you also, and also not just for the MacBook but Windows as well. You can actually go to the website and it comes in many other variations and all that, so you can have all the solutions available. They are very affordable. They're not gonna break your bank and all that. If we have any discount codes available for you guys, we will be dropping those as well in our description of this video. Apart from that, they usually have deals going on, quite a lot of deals every day. They have deals, and they have a free shipping options also for the US side. So if you are ordering from there, you guys can actually enjoy the free shipping there. And they also have a community for their users where they run the page on the Facebook, and I have seen they are quite responsive or replying on most of the questions people ask. And if you have any questions you want to ask them, you can actually send it on the community chat or community group, and they will be happy to reply you as well. Okay guys, so I hope I have covered most of the things, and if you guys have any questions or want to know more about their products and or about the specific product which we talked about today, do let me know in the comment sections. I'll be happy to assist you with all your questions. And if you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the upcoming videos as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.